Welcome to this special Lok Sabha 2014 program hosted by InGoa News 24/7 and Hotel Mandovi. Face the people. We have with us the candidate of Aam Aadmi Party, Dr. Dattaram Desai. He is a doctor by profession, has had a great contribution to Goa's environmental cause, was the man behind the agitation that had Nylon 66 go away from Goa, Dr. Dattaram Desai. To his right, we have Advocate Suhas Naik, a respected labor lawyer, has been the president of the Industrial Tribunal and is today a respected labor leader in Goa and the candidate of the Communist Party of India, Advocate Suhas Naik. And to his right is Mr. Jitendra Deshprabhu. I don't think he needs any introduction. He's been a legislator, he's been a spokesman for the Congress Party, and he will be representing the candidate of the Congress Party, Mr. Ravi Naik, who for some reason of campaign cannot be present here. I will start with Mr. Jitendra Deshprabhu. Mr. Deshprabhu, please tell the people here what is the reason that the people should vote for Ravi Naik.
Thank you so much. At the outset, I must thank the organizers for having invited me here. But when you talk about Ravi Naik, he is an institution in itself and is a member of the Congress Party. The kind of experience he's had, be it as the Chief Minister of the State of Goa, be it the Deputy Chief Minister of the State of Goa, Leader of the Opposition of the State of Goa, Member of Parliament of the State of Goa, and a visionary who has done yeoman's work in the agrarian reforms which the state presently has very well established in the interest of the common citizens of the state. Obviously, he has a vision of his own. Mr. Ravi Naik has been the champion of land reforms. He has been a champion of empowerment of women. He is the one who went around giving this state so much more in terms of Anganwadis and allowing these Anganwadis to flourish. Agriculture, animal husbandry, he has looked at various departments. Unlike his adversary today, who in spite of the fact that he held something like 5 major portfolios when he was a member of parliament in the center. I would ask their own party if they could remember a single development project which came into the state, which was which should have been a fallout of one's ministerial positions.
Mr. Deshprabhu, I would like to interrupt you here. I would humbly request you to restrict yourself to what Ravi Naik represents rather than criticizing the adversary.
It's not that
we will leave that for the later rounds. We will leave that for the later rounds.
It's a matter of comparison. When you compare the nature of the work which has been done by Mr. Ravi Naik all these years of his political sojourn in the state, obviously he is got to be the right choice. And that is the reason why we have him fielded here. As you perhaps know, there were 1 or 2 more, but we chose Ravi Naik as our candidate for a simple reason that we would be in a position to expose the wrongs that this government, which is also the local government, who has inflicted on the people of the state.
Thank you, Mr. Deshprabhu. let us welcome on this show the Vice President of the Bharatiya Janata Party who will represent the BJP candidate, Mr. Keshav Prabhu. Thank you for making it here, Mr. Prabhu. I would now request Mr. Suhas Naik, Advocate Suhas Naik, to present to the people why they should vote Suhas Naik as their MP.
आयज आमी पळयतात की UPA 2 सरकाराच्या भ्रष्टाचाराक कंटाळलेले लोक आसात. गोंयांत काँग्रेसीचे अस्तवैल जे फुडारी आशिल्ले ते भ्रष्टाचारान घुस्पल्ले आशिल्ले आनी ह्या सगळ्या भ्रष्टाचारा खातीर ह्या सगळ्या लुटमारी खातीर देशाची आर्थीक परिस्थिती कोसळून पडलेली आसा. द एंटायर इकॉनॉमी इज ऑन द ब्रिंक ऑफ डिझास्टर. रुपयाचो वालोर तर तुमी घेशात, रुपयाचो वालोर आयज 45 रुपया एक रुपया आशिल्लो पर डॉलर. नाव इट हॅज बिकम टू 62 रुपीज. सो द इंडियन करन्सी हॅज लॉस्ट इट्स व्हॅल्यू इन द इंटरनॅशनल मार्केट. आयज बेरोजगारी इतली वाडल्या, unemployment rate has gone to such an extent that we have 10 crores people waiting in queue for the employment, but they are not getting the employment. म्हारगाय शी मनी मेर नासतना वाडल्या आनी instead of controlling this price rise, the UPA 2 government has not done anything effectively. In fact, they have their policies supported the hoarders and black marketeers, which in turn has resulted in this high inflation. आणि असल्या मांडावळीचेर आमी जेन्ना 16व्या लोकसभेक समोर वतात तेन्ना हे सगळे इश्यू, राष्ट्रीय इश्यूज तशेंच राज्यस्तरीय इश्यूज, जे राज्यस्तरीय इश्यू म्हटल्यार गोंयांत बीजेपीनूय भ्रष्टाचार आसा, अशें ना की काँग्रेसीनूच भ्रष्टाचार आसा, पूण गोंयांत बीजेपीनूय भ्रष्टाचार आसा. गोंयांत बीजेपीन हाय लेवल करप्शन आसा आनी ते आमकां उक्त्या दोळ्यांनी जरी दिसलें ना तरी तूं बारीक पळोवपाक गेलो जाल्यार देर इज अ करप्शन. आनी हे सगळे इश्यू घेवन म्हारगाय, करप्शन, भ्रष्टाचार, बेरोजगारी हे सगळे इश्यू घेवन आमी जेन्ना रस्त्यार उबे रावतात तेन्ना हे इश्यू लोकां समोर दवरपाची आयज गरज आसा आनी हे इश्यू घेवन आमी लोकां कडेन वता आनी त्या निमतान आमी लोकांक सांगता की बाबा ह्या निवडणुकीन बीजेपीकूय 272 सीट्स मेळचे ना आणि काँग्रेसीकूय 272 सीट्स मेळचे ना आणि त्या बसात द ओनली ऑल्टरनेटिव्ह इज द थर्ड फ्रंट अँड आय एम द कॅन्डिडेट ऑफ द थर्ड फ्रंट अँड थर्ड फ्रंट that is the coalition form of government will be the future of this country. So that's why I appeal to the people to vote for me.
Thank you, Mr. Suhas Naik. I would now request Dr. Dattaram Desai to spell out and tell us here why we should elect you as the MP of North Goa.
आम्ही आम आदमी पार्टी जी आसा हे पॉलिटिशियन्स न्ही, बट वी आर सिक ऑफ द पॉलिटिशियन्स. आम्ही ह्या पॉलिटिशियनांक कंटाळून आता आम आदमी पार्टी केल्ली आसा. कित्याक हे जे पॉलिटिक्स आसा इतल्या वर्सांचे, ह्या पॉलिटिक्सान लोकांक खंय तरी कंटाळो हाडला. VIP कल्चर आणि हे सगळ्या फाटल्यान पैशाची वाट लावप, सरकारी पैशाची वाट लावप आणि ते थांबोवपा खातीर आम आदमी पार्टी हातून भितर देविल्ली आसा. आम आदमी पार्टीचे सगळ्यात पयलें जे तत्व आसा ते म्हणजे भ्रष्टाचार काडप, भ्रष्टाचारा पासून मुक्ती दिवप ह्या देशाक. त्या खातीर तांणी कॅन्डिडेट्स चूज करतना सुद्दां जे क्वॉलिफिकेशन लायला ते विनेबिलिटी लावना, ते लायला तुजी कॅरेक्टर, तुजी सोशल स्टेटस, सोशल लायफान तुवें कितें केलां आनी तातूंतल्यान तुजेर करप्शनाचे डाग आसात काय कितें, तुजेर क्रिमिनल कितें केसीस आसा काय कितें, हो सगळो बायोडेटा चेक करून, काउंटर चेक करून तांणी आमकां कॅन्डिडेट्स म्हणून निवडले आसात. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गोंयांत एक वेटरनरी कॉलेज येवपाचें जाल्लें आनी तो जो मनीस आशिल्लो तो फ्रॉड मनीस आशिल्लो. हांवें तें विथ प्रूफ सगळें गव्हर्मेंटाक दाखोवन दिलें आनी तें वेटरनरी कॉलेज हांगा येवपाचें बंद जालें. हे इश्यू आसत किंवा म्हजे वॉटरशेड डेव्हलपमेंटांतलें काम आसत, ह्या सगळ्याक लागून आम आदमी पार्टीन म्हाका कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून सिलेक्ट केलो. आता आम आदमी पार्टी जी ह्या राजकारणात देंवता ती लोकांक पावर, डेमोक्रेसीची पावर लोकांच्या हातान दिवपा खातीर देंवता आणि त्यामुळे आमचे कडेन जाता तितली पावर कमी आसची रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हा कडेन आणि ती लोकां कडेन चड आसची अशी आमची भूमिका आसा. म्हणून RTI एक्ट, रायट टू रिकॉल, ग्राम स्वराज्य हे आमचे काय कन्सेप्ट आसात आणि ज्या कन्सेप्टा खातीर आमी ह्या राजकारणात देविल्ले आसात.
I would now request Mr. Keshav Prabhu to articulate to us why we should elect Mr. Shripad Naik as our MP again.
वाय श्रीपाद नायक? श्रीपाद नायक हो एक स्वच्छ प्रतिमेचो मनीस. आजपर्यंत ताची जी कारकीर्द आसा ती एक स्वच्छ आणि क्लीन इमेज ही आसा. जे 3 वर्स 3 टर्म ताणें काम केलां, ताणें भरपूर काम MP लॅड स्किमी खातीर स्किमीच्या खाला केल्लें आसा. सगळे फंड्स ताजे सगळे डेव्हलपमेंट वर्काक गेल्ले आसात नॉर्थ गोवा. आज आमचें सरकार गोंयांत आसा. गेली 2 वर्सां जालीं आमचें सरकार चल्लां आनी जो आमी जाहीरनामो प्रसिद्ध केल्लो जेन्ना असेंब्ली इलेक्शन जालें तेन्ना मोर देन 50% ताजे जाहीरनाम्याची पूर्ती जाल्ली आसा. जावं ते व्हॅट देंवयला पेट्रोलाचेर, जावं ती बाकीच्यो स्किमी, जाय ते डेव्हलपमेंट आज गोंयांत दिसता. आनी हो जो गोंयांत डेव्हलपमेंट दिसता तो सगळ्यांक बरोबर डेव्हलपमेंट जाल्लो आसा. खंयच्याच जाती धर्माक वेगळें केल्लें ना. इट्स अ सेक्युलर डेव्हलपमेंट जो आमी केल्लो आसा. आज अख्ख्या भारतान जे चित्र पळोवंक मेळटा, जे काँग्रेसचे UPA 2 हे सगळ्यान भ्रश्ट सरकार हे म्हणून आज अख्ख्या इंडियाची जी सरकार जाली तातूंत सगळ्यान भ्रश्ट सरकार म्हणून ताची गणना केली जाता. आनी ताजे खातीर एक स्ट्रॉंग आनी पावरफूल नेतो आनी पावरफूल गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ थंय गरज आसा दिल्ली. आनी म्हाका दिसता मोदी सारको लिडर जो एबल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर आज प्रूव जाल्लो आसा गुजराताक आनी सगळे कडेन. आनी त्या लिडरशिपा खाला बाब श्रीपाद नायक एक आमचो कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर आसतलो आनी ताज्या खातीर आज श्रीपाद नायकाची MP म्हणून गरज आसा.
I'll sum up what each of the candidates have said, starting with Mr. Jitendesh Prabhu, who claims that Ravi Naik is an institution by himself, has held the position of Chief Minister, Opposition Leader, Deputy Chief Minister and Minister, and held various portfolios, has proved himself in the past, and to expose the non-performance of the sitting MP, who is his main adversary, it would be prudent for the people of Goa, North Goa, to vote for Mr. Ravi Naik and elect him as the MP. Advocate Suhas Naik said that the corruption of the UPA 2 as well as the past corrupt acts of the BJP when it was in power at the center has thrown no other option for the public but to get a third front, and therefore, being the candidate of the CPI, he should be elected the MP of North Goa so that a government of the third front comes to power in Delhi and saves the Indian economy from the corruption that has eaten into it. Dr. Dattaram Desai's USP for being elected as the MP, according to him, is the philosophy of the AAP. He believes that the clean politics and the alternative politics that has been offered by the Aam Aadmi Party is the reason why he should be elected as the MP, and also his past performance as a crusader for Goa's environment and his work in the field of watershed keeps him in good stead to be elected as the MP of North Goa. We will now take a short commercial break. When we come back, we will have the people throwing questions to these candidates and these candidates facing the questions of the people. Stay with us on InGoa News. Welcome back to this special program on In Goa News, Face the People. Mr. Keshav Prabhu, Mr. Jiten Desh Prabhu on behalf of Ravi Naik, Mr. Keshav Prabhu on behalf of Shripal Naik, Mr. Suhas Naik and Dr. Dattaram Desai. We will now have the people ask you questions and question your quest to be the Lok Sabha MP. I would now request Mr. Jesus Ribeiro to raise his question.
Giving grant and giving English medium to them. And therefore, as a good chief minister, he has done a very beautiful balancing act just before the election. My question is, in case you lose the election, then will there be a U-turn or Parrikar turn, which is all know that Parrikar is famous for, that to change this medium of instruction which benefit that he has given? I would like to know this.
First of all, there is no question of losing the election. We are going to win. Second thing, what you are talking about U-turn is not a U-turn. I think there are some political compulsions when you have to think of entire state. You have to take some hard decisions. And I think in that respect, the hard decisions were taken. And I think it's for the welfare of Goa, entire Goa. And I don't think there can be any U-turn. There is no U-turn. As far as Mr. Parrikar is concerned, there is no U-turn.
Mr. Keshav Prabhu, I think I will have to interrupt here. Why isn't the similar consideration given to the previous Digambar Kamath government when it took the decision on medium of instruction? Why was the BJP opposed to that decision and not giving him the liberty of acting on behalf of the whole state?
No. The question is how firm you are. The chief minister has to be firm in his whatever decisions taken. Maybe opposition sometimes act in a way they feel that they should act. That doesn't mean the chief minister had no liberty to act in a way he wanted. He was not firm, so he could not probably take a decision, and he fluttered in decisions.
So basically the opposition, Parrikar did the job of opposition when he was in the opposition, and when he was in the government,
I don't think,
he took an opposite decision.
No, I would like to interrupt here. I feel that whatever he has done is after proper studies, after talking to experts, and lots of homework was done before taking a decision.
Just before you can go ahead, I will give a minute each for you and Dr. Dattaram to express yourself on this particular.
Now, if you elaborate this statement, आयज अशें जालां गोंयांत की काँग्रेस सेक्युलर आनी बीजेपी कम्युनल ह्या प्लँकाचेर एक्स्ट्रीम पोलरायजेशन जालां वोट बँकाचेर आनी सो फार गोवन्स आमच्या मनान केन्नाच येवंक ना की हांव हिंदू काय हांव क्रिस्तांव ते आनी ज्या तरेन इलेक्शनाचें पोलरायजेशन जालां कॅथलीक काँग्रेस आनी बीजेपी मदीं हें आमकां फुडें जे पिळगी आसा फुडें जे इलेक्शनां आसतलीं जावं फुडल्या हेका दीस इज व्हेरी डेंजरस ट्रेंड बिकॉज ऑलरेडी द सीड्स ऑफ हेट्रेड इज बींग सोन आनी हें इलेक्शन 12 तारखेर सोंपतली पूण हें आमच्या तकलेन ह्यान फुडें उरतलें बिकॉज सम ऑफ द रिलिजियस some of the no let me complete Mr. Deshmukh no let me complete
Mr. Jiten,
1 minute no I am saying
please let
sir what has happened the way today this all election campaign is being held communal hatred is being sowed and this is dangerous to the Goa's secular fabric. That's what we are saying.
If you want to say something on what that candidate has said affecting your party and yourself, then please you can make a indication to me and you will be given an opportunity. I would now request Dattaram Desai to kindly place before us his party's and his view on the medium of instruction. And
So this is the state of affairs that is in India because of the politicians. हे सगळ्याचे मॅस करून दवरता आमी मिडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शनाचेर उलयताले तातूंत भितर कम्युनलिझम आयलो तातूंत सगळे आयले ऑन मिडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शन आम आदमी पार्टी इज क्लियर पॉलिटिशियनांचो तातूंत भितर कांयच रोल ना जें कितें मिडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शनाचें करपाक जाय तें एक्सपर्ट्स इन दीस मिडियम ऑफ इन्स्ट्रक्शनाचे जे एक्सपर्ट्स आसा नॉट लिंग्विस्टीक एक्सपर्ट्स जे प्रायमरी एज्युकेशनाच्या बाबतीत जे एक्सपर्ट्स आसतले तांकां बसोवन तांची जी कमिटी कितें डिसिजन दितली तें डिसिजन शूड बी एप्लायड टू ऑल द स्कूल्स इन टोटॅलिटी. तातूंत मागीर खंयच्या मायनॉरिटी मेजॉरिटी बी अशें कांय आसचें ना. जें कितें तांचें एक्सपर्ट ओपिनियन आसतलें प्रायमरी एज्युकेशन खंयचे भाशेन आसचें आनी तें कशें आसचें हें एकदां तांणी डिसायड केल्या नंतर तातूंत भितर पॉलिटिकल आपलो अजेंडा घालप ना आनी जशें कितें ते सांगतात तशाच्या तशें तें जर लायलें आसत दॅट इज एक्सेप्टेबल टू आम आदमी पार्टी.
धोतर म्हणटा पळय
Since now I would request Mr. Vignesh Apte to raise his question.
From MOI, the issue went to communal and secularism. To take from there, you know, Jiten Deshprabhu, Madam Sonia Gandhi meets up with Shahi Imam
I'm not able
Bukhari. Madam Sonia Gandhi meets up with Bukhari, asking for votes. Okay. Same with the Aam Aadmi Party, where you all have said the cases of Muslim should be fast tracked. Aren't we going towards polarization of votes on basis of religion? And is this the way forward?
Am I to answer this question?
Yes, the question is addressed to Jiten Deshprabhu and Dr. Dattaram Desai, because he says Madam Gandhi had a meeting, publicized meeting with
No.
the Shahi Imam of Delhi. You respond. That's the question. And to the Dr. Dattaram Desai, the AAP manifesto demands fast tracking of cases against Muslims. So he wants you to respond on that. First, Mr.
Yeah,
Deshprabhu.
I'm going to put that somebody goes and meets Sonia Gandhi. Tomorrow the principal bishop of Delhi goes and meets Sonia Gandhi. Or the bishop of Goa goes and meets Sonia Gandhi. And she allows them to meet. Does that make Sonia Gandhi a communal person? Does that make Congress party a communal person? But when you exhibit the murderers of Muzaffarnagar, you make an exhibition by garlanding them, by talking, speaking accolades about them, then that is what secularism means.
With respect to all the candidates here, we are running short on time on this particular session, but we will come back on this question on the other side of this break. So we will take a short break. Don't go away. Stay with us on InGoa News. Dr. Dattaram Desai, when we had left, we had Vignesh Apte ask a question on AAP's mention in its manifesto of demanding fast tracking of the cases and whether this is not appeasing to the Muslim community by AAP. What is your response?
Yes. Now, अशें घडटा की जेन्ना कसले instances घडटा, some bomb blast or such other incidents, the first community that is being targeted sometimes is minority community. जशें महाराष्ट्रांत केन्नाय खंय चोरी जाली काय ते जे पारधी लोक असतात तांकां धरले वता, म्हणजे ते ती चोरी करतात अशें समजतात. अशे पद्दतीन भारतांत सुद्दां कांय कडेन असले बॉम्ब ब्लास्ट आनी ह्यो केसीस जाल्यो काय मुस्लीम कम्युनिटी किंवा कांय कडेन मायनॉरिटी कम्युनिटीच्या लोकांक अरेस्ट केले वता आनी विदाउट कोर्ट केसी जावच्या ऐवजी तांकां भितरूच दवरलेले आसता. अशे कांय इन्स्टन्सीस जेन्ना आम आदमी पार्टी कडेन आयले आनी आम आदमी पार्टीक तांणी रिप्रेझेंटेशन केलें की अशें अशें घडटा, तेन्ना तुमी हाजेर कितें तरी करात. म्हणून आम आदमी पार्टीन आपल्या मॅनिफेस्टोन तें घातलें की जेन्ना अशे इन्स्टन्सीस जातात आनी ह्या लोकांक अरेस्ट केले वता, तांचें जें कितें जजींग आसा तें फास्ट ट्रॅक जावचें. एक गोश्ट लक्षांत घेयात, आमी तांच्यो केसीस डिसमीस करा म्हणून सांगूंक ना, आमी फास्ट ट्रॅक करा म्हटलां. हाजोच अर्थ असो की जर ते दोशी आसत जाल्यार तांकां ख्यास्त सुद्दां बेगीन जावची, हें आमचें म्हणणें आसा.
Dr. Desai, so is this provision in the manifesto of AAP meant for only those cases under the terror laws, or is it for general cases against all Muslims, or is it only those cases against Muslims that are booked under the anti-terror laws of the country?
Mostly anti-terror laws, but in other cases also fast tracking is not bad. It is necessary. Everywhere fast track courts are necessary in India, in all cases.
My question is to the Aam Aadmi Party candidate, Dr. Dattaram Desai. We've heard enough of the BJP and the Congress, he did this and who did this and that did this. What is so different about AAP? Can you please tell us why would someone like me want to vote for AAP? Are you a part of the same third angle to this triangle, or is there anything different about AAP?
Yes. So, म्हाका एक बरो चान्स मेळिल्लो आसा की म्हजी आयडियोलॉजी क्लियर करपाक म्हाका हांगासर जागो मेळ्ळा. आम आदमी पार्टी ही पार्टी बाकीच्या पार्ट्यां परस वेगळी आसा इतल्याच खातीर की ह्या पार्टीन भितर डेमोक्रेसी रायट फ्रॉम चुजींग द कॅन्डिडेट आसा. बाकीच्या पार्ट्यांचे कॅन्डिडेट असतात ते स्वताच्या पैशांचो वापर करून आपली पयली पुंजी घालून आपली तयारी करतात आणि मागीर ते कॅन्डिडेट जातात. आम आदमी पार्टी अशा पद्धतीच्या कॅन्डिडेटाक एक्सेप्ट करिना. तांचे जे कॅन्डिडेट्स आसात ते सगळ्या वोटर्सांनी डिसायड करून तातूंतल्यान तांकां चूज करून काडिल्ले असतात. बाकीच्यो ज्यो गोश्टी आसात, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आमची जी आयडियोलॉजी आसा ही आयडियोलॉजी बाकीच्या पार्टींच्या परस वेगळी आसा. तातूंत भितर आमी लोकां कडेन पावर दिवपा खातीर वी वॉन्ट द पीपल टू बी पॉवरफूल, आणि त्यातून भितर आमी जे कितें हाडूंक सोदता, फॉर एग्जाम्पल रायट टू रिकॉल, म्हणजे जेन्ना एखादो रिप्रेझेंटेटीव भ्रश्टाचार करता, क्रिमिनल बॅकग्रावंड ताजो कितें जाता, तेन्ना ताका विड्रॉ करपाक ताका थंयच्यान हालोवपाक जी पावर आसा ती आमी लोकांच्या हातान दिवंक सोदता. आमी लोकां कडेन ती पावर दिवंक सोदता. ग्राम स्वराज्य हो सुद्दां कन्सेप्ट जो आम आदमी पार्टीचो कन्सेप्ट आसा, तातूंत भितर आमचे लोकांची डिसिजन मेकिंग बॉडी जी आसतली ती ग्रामसभा आसतली. आतां सद्या अशें चलता एवरीथींग इज फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम. दिल्लीत ठरता, राज्यांत ठरता कसल्यो स्किमी लावपाच्यो त्यो, आनी त्यो शेवटी ग्रामपंचायतीन येतात. आमचें म्हणणें अशें आसा की गांवांत कसलो डेव्हलपमेंट जावचो, कितें कितें जावचें हें सगळें गांवांतल्या लोकांक थरोनी तांणी एकदां डिसिजन घेतल्या नंतर इम्प्लिमेंटेशन वील बी डन बाय द रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स, लोकल रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्स. अशे पद्दतीची आमची गव्हर्नन्साची सिस्टम आसतली. हे ह्या हाजे पेक्षा वेगळें आसा. तेच्या नंतर आमी रायट टू रिकॉल सांगलो, तशेंच बाकीचे जे लोकांक एम्पावर करपी जे आमचे वेगवेगळे बिल्स आसात, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हे आमचे गव्हर्निंग हे जे आमचे
Mohalla Sabhas.
सॉरी
Mohalla Sabhas you're talking about?
नो मोहल्ला सभास. सिटिझन्स चार्टर. सिटिझन्स चार्टर इज अ डिमांड ऑफ आम आदमी पार्टी. आमकां लोकांक अमक्या ठरावीक वेळान हें सगळें जाल्लें जाय हें करपा खातीर सिटिझन्स चार्टर, हे सगळ्यो ज्यो आमच्यो एक हें आसात बिल्स आसात ती आमी हाडूंक सोदतात ह्या हाजे मार्फत, आनी म्हणून आमी तांचे परस वेगळे आसात तशें.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you, doctor. I'll give you 30 seconds to us.
Yeah. See, AAP cannot be the alternative. AAP at the most can be an NGO. It is not a political party in the true sense. They doesn't have the ideology. Because when the people gave the power to AAP in Delhi, Mr. Kejriwal, instead of sitting in the assembly, started sitting on the streets. And people have witnessed that. Secondly, they promised the electorate that 4.5 lakhs jobs who were on contract would be regularized, but it was never regularized. They promised the people that 700 liters would be given free water, never given. electricity free, never given. And when he realized that I am not going to able to deliver, he ran away and resigned from this. This is the reality of the AAP. People had lot of expectation from the AAP, but AAP cannot deliver. This is the truth.
Can I say on that?
Yeah, Dr. Desai, I think I should give you the right to
Yes.
respond to that for 30 seconds, in 30
सी
seconds.
पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे आम आदमी पार्टी गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर्म करपा इतली मेजॉरिटी नाशिल्ली, सो दे वेर इन मायनॉरिटी. हे मायनॉरिटीक काँग्रेसीन सपोर्ट दिलो आणि वी केम इन टू पॉवर. आतां आमच्या मॅनिफेस्टोन भितर सगळ्यात पयलें आशिल्लें तें जनलोकपाल बील. सो बाकीचे हें करता आसतना जनलोकपाल बील आमच्या खातीर इम्पॉर्टंट आशिल्लें. पुणून ज्यो दोनूय पार्टीज बीजेपी आणि काँग्रेस आशिल्ल्यो तांकां हें जनलोकपाल बील आयिल्लें नाका आशिल्लें, आनी हें आमकां लोकसभेच्या हातून सुद्दां दिसून येता की तांणी जनलोकपाल बील केन्नाच येवंक दिवंक ना. तर त्या खातीर तांणी ताका हें करपाक सुरवात केली. आतां हे जे म्हणटात की 700 लिटर्स ऑफ वॉटर दिवंक ना किंवा हाफ रेटान इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दिवंक ना, हें बरोबर ना. 700 लिटर उदक फ्री दिवपाची व्यवस्था जाल्ली. फक्त 700 लिटरां वयर जें दितालो ताका चार्ज लागतलो आशिल्लो. सो इट वॉज फॉर द पुअर पीपल. तें केल्लें. जी डिसिजन्स घेवंक शकले ती त्या दिसा भितर आम आदमी पार्टीन घेतलेली आसात. आतां जनलोकपाल बील येवपाक दिना ह्या हाजे सकयल ताका रेजिग्नेशन दिवचें पडलें आनी तें ताणें दिलां. आनी दुसरो कोणी आशिल्लो जाल्यार सगळ्यो भानगडी करून थंय रावतलो आशिल्लो, बिकॉज ही वूड हॅव बीन ट्रायिंग टू स्टिक देयर.
No, they wanted to focus on the Lok Sabha elections. They were not happy with the
That
Delhi
you can say,
elections.
sir.
That is your perception. They are denying that. Fine. I would like this lady to ask her question. Please.
My name is Carol Fernandez. My question is to Advocate Suhas Naik.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to know, sir, say tomorrow you won the election. What will be your priorities? Tu Goikara Khatir kide kortalo? And as a parliament member, what will be your priorities to the country?
Yeah, I think here it looks as if we are fighting the assembly elections. We are not fighting the assembly elections. These elections are for the national, the policies, broad policies will be framed at the national level. आणि त्याच्या खातीर राष्ट्रीय मांडावळीचेर ही इलेक्शनां लढतात. आणि जेन्ना आमी राष्ट्रीय मांडावळीचेर इलेक्शनां लढतात तेन्ना एक खासदार लोकसभेन कितें करतलो हें म्हत्वाचें आसता. न्हय फक्त 2 एम्ब्युलन्सी दितलो आनी एक मुसुंडी बांदतलो हें खासदाराचें काम न्ही, ना जाल्यार दिल्ली गेलो जाल्यार फुकट घरान रावपाक दिलो हें खासदाराचें काम न्ही. खासदारान निवडून येतकूच पार्लमेंट सेशन फूल सेशनान कशें चलतलें, लोकांचे इश्यू जे प्रायस रायज आसा, जे म्हारगाय आसा, बेरोजगारी आसा, the entire economy which has collapsed, how to revive that economy, all these discussions needs to be debated in the parliament and the solutions has to come out. आणि खासदार म्हणून जर हांव निवडून आयलो जाल्यार गोंयकारांचे प्रश्न जावं ते मायनींग आसूं, जावं ते स्पेशल स्टेटस आसूं, बेरोजगारी आसूं, प्रायस रायज आसूं, प्रत्येक डेव्हलपमेंट आसूं, गोंयांत उद्योग धंदे हाडपाचे प्रश्न आसूं, हे सगळे इश्यूज आय विल डिस्कस इन द पार्लमेंट and I will resolve those issues. I will not keep quiet unless these issues are resolved. These are the broad, I think, ह्याचेर discussion चड जावपाक जाय.
Congress, see, you have made communalism versus secularism as one of the main planks for this election. But your candidate for this election is Mr. Ravi Naik. Now, Ravi Naik, as you very well know, has been a part of the MGP before. From MGP, he hopped on to the Congress. From Congress, he again hopped on to the BJP. From BJP, he's again back to the Congress. So what guarantee is there that this candidate is a secular candidate? Does he become secular the moment he comes into the Congress? And is he communal when he goes into other parties? That is my question. What guarantee is there that this person is a secular candidate?
There are two things here. Should a human being continue to hold his viewpoint when he joins a particular party? If any ideology one supports and he is disillusioned about that ideology, should he not come out? Should he not join others? Should he not find a balance where his viewpoint and the national policy of a particular political party meets. So you can't blame a person if he joins, like MGP is a secular party. Congress is a secular party. But when he went to the BJP, he was there hardly for about 4 months, 5 months. And then they elected on the eve of elections because he did not want to continue in that communal ideology.
भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्हाक सर जेन्ना माध्यम प्रश्नाचेर तुम्ही आता आपली नवी जी पॉलिसी डिक्लेअर केला तेन्ना त्या पॉलिसीचे समर्थन करताना अशें म्हणटात की तुम्ही पार्टी म्हणटा की प्राप्त परिस्थिती प्रमाण तुमकां हो निर्णय घेवचो पडला तर ती प्राप्त परिस्थिती कितें आशिल्ली की त्या परिस्थितीनुसार तुम्ही आता हो निर्णय घेतला ज्या निर्णयाक तुम्ही पयलीं विरोध करताले आणि ताका जोडून एक दुसरो प्रश्न की कॅबिनेट डिसिजन आताच्या नव्या पॉलिसीचे कॅबिनेट डिसिजन जानेवारीन जाल्ले पण ताचेर आजुनूय सर्क्युलर कित्याक पास करूना काय होय तुम्ही मुद्दो असो तात्कळत रेंगळत आणि लोकांचे मतांचो कौल पळोवन फुडें व्हरपाचें आसा
ना तो क्वेश्चन तसो ना आमी एक एक्सपर्ट कमिटी फॉर्म केल्ली आणि त्या एक्सपर्ट कमिटीन जो रिपोर्ट दिला त्या हांव फाटल्या की म्हाका दिसता तुमी नाशिल्ले हांगा हाजेर पयलो क्वेश्चन जाल्लो आसा ना सांगता प्राप्त परिस्थिती म्हणजे जे एक्सपर्ट कमिटीन जो रिपोर्ट दिला त्या प्रमाणे आमी ताजे गेल्ले आसा गव्हर्मेंटान जे डिसिजन घेतला त्या एक्सपर्ट कमिटीन जे रिपोर्ट दिला त्या प्रमाणे घेतले आसा द सिच्युएशन मे बी द गव्हर्मेंट मस्ट हॅव थॉट की दॅट सिच्युएशन इज लायक दीस एज पर द एक्सपर्ट कमिटी रिपोर्ट म्हण तो रिपोर्टा प्रमाणे आमी गेल्ले आसा तुम्ही म्हणटा आमी रेंगाळत दवरना देर आर सम टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टीज ऑर समथींग लायक दॅट देरफॉर द क्वेश्चन इज पोस्टपोन दॅट्स इट
I would ask this gentleman to ask his question. Kindly introduce yourself first, please.
माझे नाव विवेक शिराळे. माझा प्रश्न असा काँग्रेसचे जे प्रतिनिधी आसा तांकां जितेंद्र म्हाका एक सांगात तुमचो जो कॅन्डिडेट आसा तो राजकारणात केन्ना आयलो तेन्ना ताजें कितें उत्पन्न आशिल्लें आनी आतां ताजें जें उत्पन्न आसा तें इतक्या वर्सांत कोणूय नॉर्मल मनीस इतलो इंटेलिजंट जावन कमोवंक शकता का
आयचे जे उत्पन्न आसा ते तांच्या एफिडेविटान नमूद केल्ले आसा तुम्ही ते जर वाचले एफिडेविट जाल्यार हो प्रश्न उपस्थित जातलो नाशिल्लो ताणें कार्य सुरू केलें आपलें काम सुरू केलें वयाच्या 11व्या वर्सा फोंड्या थंय तो काम करतालो कितें काम करतालो हेका महत्व ना आनी तातूंतल्यान चडत चडत वयर चडत शेवटी जेन्ना महाराष्ट्रातील गोमंतक पक्षाच्या तिकिटाचेर ते निवडून आयले 1989 आणि त्याप्रमाणे त्यांचो एक मार्गस्थ हे जालो 92 ते मुख्यमंत्री झाले त्याच्या उपरांत काँग्रेस पक्षाकडे निष्ठावान असले ते उपरांत मध्यंतरीच्या काळात जेन्ना हांव आमदार आशिल्लो ते माझे विरोधी पक्ष नेते आशिल्ले तेन्ना ते बीजेपीन गेले कारण तांकां म्हणजे अगदी अगवानीन गेलो कारण प्रत्येक पक्ष आपलो स्वार्थ पळयत आसता थंय आमचो काँग्रेसचो मनीस गेलो म्हटल्या नंतर तो स्वार्थ त्यांचो फुलफील जाता अशा प्रकारची गोष्ट आणि तो जेन्ना त्या पक्षाच्या आयडियोलॉजीन ते उद्ध्वस्त झाले मानसिक दृष्ट्या पुनश्च काँग्रेस पक्षान आयले ही सगळी जी काळ वेळ जी आसा सामान्य मनीस सुद्धा आज जो तांणी जो आपले उत्पन्न दाखयला त्याच्यापेक्षा कैक पटीन जास्त दाखयतात आयच्या घटकेक तांणी जे दाखयला ते उत्पन्न त्या दृष्टिकोनातल्यान गेल्या 15-20 वर्षाच्या राजकीय कारकिर्दीतल्यान निर्माण झालेले उत्पन्न दिसना.
Just 2 more questions. Okay, I think somebody else who is not asked a question. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah. My name is Mr. Gomes. And it's not working. Okay, my name is Mr. Gomes. And this question is for Mr. Keshav Prabhu, but it's got implications for both, for Mr. Ravi Naik also, who's not here. Before elections, Manohar Parrikar had spoken about and to recover the 35,000 crores. Now it's almost 2 years. Besides catching one small fry, the Fomentos, the Cesar Goas, Daniel Salgaonkars, and all those, including
some congressmen who have got interest in mining. They have not been booked. No FIRs have been, filed against them. Why? And if you are going to do that, how are you going to recover that 35,000 crores? Can you tell the people, please?
You have to take some patience. It's just 2 years that we are in the power. There are cases which has to be framed. From that case, somebody should not come out of it or should be acquitted. So in order to fortify the case, you need the time. You will see the things going on within few days.
There was never any illegal mining, and that has come to light now.
Never illegal.
Legal.
Never any legal mining.
When the all mining.
So you didn't know that time when the Congress was when
They were not aware.
They didn't know it was illegal mining.
I'll tell you something.
Before this
In the-
government was the
in
Congress
the- in
government.
the Shah
For 7
Commission
years.
report-
For 7 years.
In the Shah Commission report, at page 200, in the second paragraph, the Shah Commission has very clearly said, there was no corruption prior to the year 2000. The actual corruption, the actual mismanagement, at page 200, if you can read it, the actual illegality started in the year 2000, 2000.
You are contradicting your own
It is on the
statement.
second page. Who was the chief minister then, sir?
आम आदमीचे कॅन्डिडेटाक प्रश्न तुमी सगळे आतां काँग्रेसचे सगळे लोक आयिल्ले आसा हांगा कोणें स्कार्फ घालून ना कोणें कांय घालून ना आपल्या पक्षाचें रिप्रेझेंटेशन दाखोवपाक तुमी झाडू घेवन भोंवतात टोपयो घालून भोंवतात अरविंद केजरीवाल तोंडार इंक मारून घेतात सो इज इट अ पब्लिसिटी स्टंट आज खंय ताका थापट मारलो म्हणजे नजरेन लोकांचे वचपा खातीर हे तुमी करतात काय लोकूच खरे तुमकां थापट मारता आनी लोकांक तुमची गरज ना म्हणजे हाजेर तुमी स्पश्टीकरण दिवचें
एक म्हणजे आमी स्टंट करपा खातीर कांय करिनात आमची टोपी ही आमची आयडेंटिटी आसा जशी गांधी टोपी आशिल्ली
अजून आसा
अजून आसा लोक घालिनात घालपी लोक आशिल्ले स्वातंत्र्याच्या वेळार त्या लोकांनी तेन्ना मोठ्या हेणे घातल्या उमेदीन घातल्या तर आमची जी ही टोपी आसा ताजेर बरयल्लें आसा की मैं हूं आम आदमी त्यामुळे आमचो जो कितें कन्सेप्ट आसा ह्या आम आदमीचो हो ताजेरूच बरयल्लो आसा आनी एका अर्थान आमी कोण हें कळटात म्हणजे आमी खंय गेल्या नंतर आमी आयडेंटिफाय जातात आमी कशा कशें वागू शकनात हें करपा खातीर आमी तें घातलेलें आसा आनी दुसरें तुमी जें म्हणटात की इंक मारता हें करता हें आतां लोक कित्याक करतात हें आमकां समजना आमच्या लोकांक ना आमी करून घेनात आतां फाल्यां म्हाजेर कितें मारलें जाल्यार हांवें करून घेतलें अशें म्हणनाकात कारण लोकांक खंय तरी दुसऱ्या पार्टीक म्हाका अशें दिसता की त्या लोकांक खंय तरी भंय दिसपाक लागला म्हणून ते कदाचित हें सगळें करता आसत आमी करून आमी जावन करिनात इतलें हांव सांगूं शकता आनी तो म्हणटा सार्वजनीक लायफांत आसा ताका हें सगळें भोगचेंच पडटलें हें योगेंद्र यादवानी म्हटलां जेन्ना ताजेर इंक मारलें तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता ही शाही म्हणजे लोकशाही भोवतेक लोकांनी शाही मारप म्हणजे लोकशाही अशें धरलां जाल्यार हांव नकळो
I think you need to clap him for it. Thank you, Doctor. I don't think we have any more questions from the audience, but one last question as we sign off this program. If you are elected the MP, what would be your first issue you would raise in the parliament and how? 1 minute for each of you. Mr. Keshav Prabhu.
We will try to get a special status for Goa. That will be the first issue and priority issue. There will be other issues like...
One issue.
Only one issue, special status.
Mr. Desh Prabhu.
We would like certain funding because we have given the best socio-economic parameters to the country. And these socio-economic parameters are to be furthered for the purpose of excellence and for the purpose of good governance.
Dr. Dattaram Desai, if you are elected the MP, what will be the one most important issue you will raise immediately in the Lok Sabha?
The most important issue which I feel for Goa is land. There is constraint of land in Goa and we have got various land related issues like Komundad, Mokashe and such other issues which are to be set right. And for this, I want land-related issues. In a way, I can say land reforms in Goa so that whatever is left for us is preserved for us. That will be my first priority.
Thank you, Dr. Dattaram Desai. Thank you, lovely people, for being here. Thank you, Keshav Prabhu. Thank you, Jitendesh Prabhu, for your time and for your elucidation of the views of your party. Thank you for watching In Goa News. Keep watching In Goa News.